Hello. Welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission training series. In this segment you will learn how to select the short form as your default e-submission form. Begin by navigating to the Iowa Land Records e-submission website. Log into your e-submission account with your unique ID and password. Once you are logged in, select the Update Account link from the menu on the lower left portion of the home page. After you select the Update Account link, you will arrive at the Maintain User page. You can specify your account preferences here. On the Maintain User page, look for the drop-down menu called Form. Select the menu item called Show Short Form by default. Be sure to click the Save button to save your changes. Now that you have changed your account preferences, the short form will appear as the default view when adding documents to a group. Congratulations! You now know how to set your preference for the short form. The short form is now your default e-submission form. Here are some key points to remember. Select the Update Account link. Select the Show Short Form by Default option from the Form drop-down menu. Remember to click the Save button. Thank you for participating in the Iowa Land Records training program. More resources and training information can be found in the tutorials section at iowalandrecords.org/e-submission. For the latest news about activities at Iowa Land Records, please follow us on Twitter, @Iowa Land Records. Again, thank you and have a great day.